My dear friends, today I would like to explain one important thing to you, that is pulse rate. Dear friends, while you are sculpting the nucleus or making trench, your pulse rate should be in higher mode, because higher pulse rate tends to work better for sculpting the nucleus. Since the narrow time interval between pulses produces a smoother delivery of ultrasonic energy. Understand my point? So always keep your pulse in higher side while doing the sculpting or trenching. See, in this case, I am making a trench and now I am in US2 mode and trying to rotate the nucleus, and then I am embedding the phaco tip and now chopping the nucleus. At this moment, the pulse rate should be low, because the lower pulse rates tends to be better for emulsifying nuclear fragments, since there is a significant time interval between pulses for the fluidics to keep the cataract pieces attract to the phaco needle. Understand my point? Therefore, I am using low pulse rate while emulsifying the nuclear fragments, and this is very important to understand. See, at this moment, lower pulse rate is helping in emulsifying the nuclear fragments. At this time, I am showing you video in slower motion to understand. The conclusion is the lower pulse rate is better for emulsifying the nuclear fragments, and higher pulse rate is better for sculpting or making the trench.